What's up, guys? My name is Brian. I am the owner, founder of NFTMiner.ca. Welcome to my website. If you find yourself watching this video, it's because you're interested in Go mining. I have spent the last year compiling data, reconciling, and creating tangible, usable content and advice on how to increase our return on investments through Go mining. Okay. I have created NFT Miner as a community hub in hopes that we can all gather together, share our experiences, and at the end, the result will be every one of our community members achieving the highest, greatest return on investment through the Go mining ecosystem. Okay, if you're interested in Bitcoin mining and you want to get involved, NFTMiner.ca is your hub for education and answers to questions you might have. You guys can find me NFTMiner.ca on X. You can send me a message anytime, join our forums, you can join our YouTube chat. But if you find yourself here right now on this page, it's because you want to learn more and you're in the right spot. Welcome to NFTMiner.ca. I'm just going to give you a quick high-level overview of what NFTMiner.ca is, what we do, and how you navigate, okay? So, as you can see right now, I'm in my web browser. I'm on GoMining.com, and this is my dashboard. You can see my power and TH, my efficiency, my discounts, and we can go through all of that if you watch the videos here on my video page, okay? These are the miners I have. I purchased them through credit card, and they all earn Bitcoin for me every day. They also cost service and electricity, which I have to pay through my rewards and or Go mining tokens. We'll get into that later. Don't get too excited, okay? But we are going to walk you through achieving the greatest return on investment with Go mining, and you should be thankful that you found NFTMiner.ca. Now, step 1, please use my referral code. Step 2, at checkout, ensure that my code is in your coupon promo code spot and is saved, PYZ-O, okay? The reason our PYZ-O-M, you guys will see it. It's going to be here in the comment on YouTube, and it's going to be on my website. You guys will see it. Just make sure you're clicking my link and putting in my code. You're going to get a 5% TH bonus, and you're going to get one-on-one hands-on interaction with me, helping you create a great return on investment with Go mining and help you start accumulating as much Bitcoin as you can as we move into the future, 2026 and forward. Okay, guys? All right, so I'm going to go over here just so that we can see NFTMiner.ca is the main hub. I constantly post content on my website specific to Go mining, only Go mining, okay? You guys can read, engage in that, learn. Then, if you go here on the Go mining, it is a page specific to and about Go mining, how it works, what Go mining does, why it's profitable, why get involved, how do you understand Bitcoining, all of that. So read over that, guys, take a look at it, a lot of good stuff here. Then you can get starting. Get started with Go mining is simply a page I created to walk people through signing up their first NFT miner and to get mining Bitcoin. That's the point of that, okay, guys? And then you can read through that. That'll help you set it up. Then the forum hub is where you're going to ask all your questions, learn, educate, and share and read content. You can talk about, you can introduce yourself. You can do contests and giveaways. You can share pictures of your NFT miners that you're proud of, okay? I shared a greedy picture in there. We can talk about Bitcoin solo mining earnings, miner wars, Go mining tokenomics, liquidity, pools, bounty programs, ambassador programs. If you guys have any questions about Go mining and how it works, you're going to find the answers here at NFTMiner.ca in our forum hub, okay? We also have a ranking system that we've included, and those ranking systems are going to be integrated so that you guys, when you reach certain ranks, you earn Go mining rewards right from NFTMiner.ca. Now, this is independent of Go mining. These are my rewards that I'm rewarding our community members with. So just make note that this is not Go mining. It's NFTMiner.ca that's running this and rewarding its users, okay? So there's no connection there outside of the fact that we're using the amazing Go mining token to monetize and reward our members, all right? So welcome to NFTMiner.ca, guys. My name again is Brian Belford. Make sure to use my link and my code when you're signing up. Welcome to the site. If you're watching this video right now, you are on a videos page where I compiled all my videos together, and you can scroll down and you can watch any of the videos that I uploaded to YouTube, and they're all categorized specific topics, okay? So that's why I created this video. In fact, that page isn't even created yet, okay? I'm creating it right now, but this is going to be the main video for that page as a welcome to NFT Miner, okay, guys? All right, this is Brian, NFT Miner, signing off. Get mining with Go Mining. Welcome to our community.